This is Branding Bootcamp, where we show you the how-tos and the should-nots. Let's jump right in. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to add a branded email signature to your signatures in Outlook for Mac. Let's get started. First, download the email signature template file from the Branding Guidelines webpage under the email signature formats. To create your email signature in Outlook for Mac, open Outlook and click on the Outlook tab located below the search bar. Click on Settings, click on Signatures. Click on Plus to create a new email signature. Enter the name for your signature. Open the email signature template file you downloaded in Microsoft Word. Highlight the pre-formatted email signature and copy by pressing Ctrl+C. In Outlook, paste it into the email signature text field by pressing Ctrl+V. Then edit your signature's contact information. Click Save to save your signature. That's it! You now have an email signature consistent with our brand. For more Branding Bootcamp or additional information about the Montgomery College brand, please visit the Montgomery College brand website.